Let's start by being seated in a crossed leg position, then moving into Gomukhasan legs by placing one leg over the other, trying to keep knees in one line. Inhale and extend arms up. Exhale, slowly drop forward, keeping the chin ahead of the knees, hands sliding to the sides, and soft breathing here. Inhale, slowly come up and repeat the same on the other side. Next, moving to Baddha Konasana, trying to keep your feet wide open. Inhale, pull spine, and exhale, start to fold in. Gently pressing your elbows into the legs. Slide arms out, dropping the head down. Now taking your hands out further straight. Breathing and staying in the position. Inhale and exhale, moving out. Next, moving to Agni Stambhasana by placing one leg in an L shape, similarly the other leg ankle onto the knee. Inhale, extend arms, exhale, drop palms forward and try to walk forward as much as you can. It's a passive hip opening here, might be a little uncomfortable. Go beyond only if possible. Inhale, head up, slowly start to move out. Repeat the same on the other side. Next, moving in for Padmasana. Inhale, extend arms, exhale, drop palms forward. Breathing and staying in the position. Inhale, head up, slowly start to move out. Let's start by forward folding in and placing the right leg back, moving into a low lunge position with the back leg, knee and foot flat against the mat. Place your palms on the upper thigh and move the chest and back away from the leg. Start to shift your gaze up and enjoy the stretch. Next, let's move into a twisted variation of the same by bending the back leg and holding onto the foot, twisting from the chest and shoulders. Slowly bring both hands forward and placing your forearms down to the mat. Lift the back leg kneecap up, staying there for a while. And transitioning into Parshva Konasana with one palm down by the side of the foot, extending your right hand up, gazing at the hand above. And slowly moving into a bound arms variation of Parshva Konasana. Allow your hands to meet at the back, gazing upwards. And slowly open up the bent leg into Trikonasana. Letting the right hand extend up fully, gazing at the palm above. And slowly lift up and moving in for a wide leg squat, also known as Utkata Konasana. Allow your hips to drop as much as you're comfortable. Breathing, slow, soft breaths. Inhale, lift up and repeat on the other side.